It began with a spark.
Oxygen met flame, and the sky itself ignited. The heavens turned into a sea of flame, plunging, daylight brighter than the sun.
The oceans began to boil, their mist feeding the inferno above.
Even stone could not survive the heat of the burning heavens. And there, the fire began to fall to acid, storms born from the death of air.
From space, the planet burned like a dying star.
But even fire cannot last forever. It devoured its own breath. The world turned black, silent, scorched, and airless.
Where blue once lived, only an ember remained, fading into nothing.